This is the yet-to-be-released Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. Let's take a sneak peek. Here it is, the Note 15 Pro Plus. On the back, it has a triple camera setup, arranged symmetrically in the center. The back panel is made of glass fiber material, with a finely textured matte finish that doesn't attract fingerprints. The screen features a uniform micro-curve design, and the curvature matches that of the edges of the back panel, making it feel really nice in the hand. The size of the phone is large, about the same as the Tab S6 Pro, but the Note 15 Pro Plus is thinner. The Note 15 Little King Kong's main selling point, charging on the sofa. It falls off with a thud, common, right? Charging on the bed. It falls off with a thud, common, right? It slips out of your pocket. Happens all the time, right? If someone accidentally bumps into your phone and it falls, it's still fine. Even if you toss it straight across the room at home, it's no big deal. Oops, you accidentally spill a drink, or the charging port gets splashed. Also pretty common, right? Even if it accidentally gets splashed while you're showering, it's still fine. Even its invitation is a toolkit. Inside, there's a multifunctional hammer and all kinds of small knives. This time, with Bear Grylls joining in, it's definitely something to look forward to. As for the detailed review, I'll bring it to you after the launch event. What do you think about this Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus?
Wow.